I want you to imagine for a moment that you started investing in 1985. For a couple of years, your money keeps going up and up until
Black Monday.
They're calling it the Monday Massacre.
Wall Street had its biggest one-day drop in history.
The results of the decline will hit millions of people.
Up until this point, your friends probably thought you were some kind of genius, but now they're urging you to sell. But you ignore them, and slowly but surely the market recovers until
the Nasdaq index in freefall, down nearly 10%.
Driven by technology in general and the internet in particular.
Traders and investors shell-shocked.
your friends are on their knees begging you to pull your money out, saying things like it's time to take your profits before you lose everything. But you hold strong and things start going back up until you're hit with,
It was one of the most profound events in generations with huge consequences.
little did you know, you're in for the ride of a lifetime until